everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, but I'm back and I'm better. So yeah, I'm back and I'm better, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get this beautiful look using only affordable products. Yes, because everybody want to know how to save the coins. So without further ado, let's move on to the video. So first of all, I already primed my face. For my brows, I'll be using the BH Pro palette. This is the ultimate brow palette. BH Cosmetics, y'all gonna see BH Cosmetics a lot in this video. Most of my brushes are gonna be from BH Cosmetics. So first of all, I'm gonna explain you guys why I left. For real, I was just, you know, when people are going through it, like, I felt like I wasn't doing it right. Like, you know, when you feel like you're just not doing anything right, that's exactly how I felt. I felt like, oh my god, I was never gonna get where I wanted to be. So now I'm back on track. I just decided, yo, 2019, girl, stop underestimating yourself. You're gonna get there. So that's what I did. Okay, so this is LA Girl Cosmetics Pro Concealer, and I know everybody knows about this one, so I won't talk too much about this one. And then I'm gonna use it as primer too, because it's already light. This is the shade Fawn, by the way. I'm just going to blend the fucking concealer. That's my primer, yo. I am going to use the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Guys, Juvia's Place is so affordable. Their palettes are just great. These palettes are bomb. I got mad love for Juvia's Place. I'm gonna start by using this yellow shade right here. I'm going to use this orange shade. I'm gonna go with this pink shade. I'm gonna put it over, like literally over the orange. I'm gonna go with this purple. I'm gonna like put the purple right in my crease. You can be extra with affordable stuff. And I am extra, that's why I'm doing a whole big look. Like, I'm extra, I'm an extra person. I am extra. So I'm gonna go with that pink shade right here, and I'm gonna put it on my lid. So this is the Nika K Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow. For my Montreal people, Beauté Era. You can also order it online. I'm gonna put this on my lid. Ooh, oh girl, this is beautiful. I'm gonna use the purple color just to blend it. Okay, now I am gonna do my face. This, I got it from the drugstore. Everybody know about this Fit Me by Maybelline product. I don't even have to talk about it. Like, now I'm going to use concealer. I'm gonna contour, and I am using the LA Pro Conceal Concealer, and this is the shade Mahogany. To blend it out, I'm gonna use this brush. It's not even a makeup brush, this is a paint brush. I just love it. And I will be using the CoverGirl Loose Powder. It's white as fuck. It's the shade Translucent Bear. I don't do baking anymore because I just don't. Now I'm gonna go in the Contour and Blush 2 palette by BH Cosmetics. And I'm gonna take the deepest shade. And I'm gonna just set my contour. Now I am going to do eyeliner. This eyeliner, I got it from Essence Cosmetics. I got it for like $3. I didn't even show the liner. Sorry guys for this drastic change, but I'm gonna have to do a voiceover for this part of the video because my parents came home and then they just started to make noises in the background. So for my bottom lid, I'm putting a purple shade, and then I'm gonna be applying orange in my inner corner. So that's it for the voiceover part. Now back to normal. Let's do mascara. Let's do mascara. These mascaras are from NYC, New York Color. Now I'm gonna use this Glamorous Blush palette by BH Cosmetics, and there's 10 beautiful blushes. Okay, my palette cracked because, you know, that's what happens to y'all. So I think I'm gonna mix these two colors together. These two, 1 and 2. Some people wonder why you put blush on. Now I'm gonna go with lashes. I got like a pack of 5 for $2. So you can order them either on AliExpress or on Wish. Okay, now I'm gonna put some highlighter on. First of all, I have the Master Chrome highlighter. I know you've heard of that. This is the bomb. This is bomb. This is bomb. Ooh. Okay, I don't know if you'll see this light highlighter. I see it, and I love it. Okay, so for my lips, NK Cosmetics came through. I'm gonna use the lip pencil and Cocoa. Okay, so I got this orange from L'Oreal Paris, or I could go for a nude from Essence Cosmetics. These are both drugstore products. I think I'm gonna go with nude. Probably put a little bit orange over it. Now you're talking. I like this combo. I love this. I love it. This is from Essence Cosmetics as well. Okay, and now I'm gonna set with the Mario Badescu spray. This is the look, guys. I am really loving it. Like, who are you, girl? Do y'all love it like I do? Girl, where you going? Like I said, these products that I use are very affordable. I will be putting the information in the description box below. But before you leave, guys, just subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. Press the like button, and while you're at it, press that bell of notifications so you stay updated with my videos. You know, if you got a commentary, drop it, yeah. And yeah, so I'll see you like I'm about to take some dope ass pictures for the gram. So bye bye. Oh shit, my bad.